Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup accounts payable aging reports for tax deductions. Easy tutorial. Open your accounting software. Navigate to the accounts payable section. Locate the aging reports option. Select the specific aging report you want to backup. Choose the date range for the report. Click on the Generate or Run Report button. Review the report for accuracy. Once confirmed, look for the Export option. Select the file format you prefer, such as PDF or Excel. Click on the Export or Download button. Choose a location on your computer to save the file. Rename the file for easy identification. Include the date in the file name for future reference. Open your cloud storage or backup solution. Create a dedicated folder for tax deduction backups. Upload the saved aging report file to the folder. Ensure the upload completes successfully. Consider creating a second backup in an external drive. Regularly schedule backups to maintain updated records. Document the backup process in your financial records. Review your backups periodically to ensure they are intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.